In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create sales in your Etsy shop. First thing we're going to do is go to Etsy and then go to Shop Manager in the top right. Then you're going to go to Marketing, Sales and Coupons, New Special Offer. Then you can do Run a Sale, Send Offers to Interest Shoppers, Create a Coupon. What we're going to do is run a sale. So here we can do free standard shipping or percentage off. We're going to do percentage off and 20%. Now, where is this valid? So you can pick whatever country you want. I do everywhere. You can put minimum order total. So you can have no minimum, a certain quantity, or somewhere an order total. So if you want, if they buy 3, then they get 20% off. If they spend $50, then they get 5% off, or whatever it may be. Then you can set the duration. Now you can only run sales for up to 30 days. Now what I do is I just set it for 30 days and then I just set a reminder to create a new sale at the next month. You can set terms and conditions. I don't do this, I just have everything do it. And then you type in a code. So I'm going to do 20 off, hit continue. Now you can include your listings. So you can include certain ones, you can include all of them. So I'm going to do 2 sets, so easy budget templates. And then also printables. So now everything in my store is selected, all the different products that I have. Now, if you want to exclude one, you can just hit the X and then it'll exclude it. Or you can search for a single listing right here. So then we're going to go review and confirm. Sale, 20% off, minimum order none, the dates, 23 listings, the name, all of that, confirm. And now our sale is live. So let's look at it live. Let's go to my shop here. Now, as you can see here in my shop, everything is running at 20% off. So 20% off. So $3 typically, now it's $2.40. This one is $2.50, now it's $2. And the entire shop is $2 off. I personally believe that when you have things that are on sale, it looks better and they feel like they're getting a better deal, so people are more likely to buy it. If you're interested, I do have a course by a friend of mine, Sharon, who teaches you how to make $1,000 in passive income on Etsy by selling digital downloads, which is exactly what I sell. And she is the master Etsy. As you can see, $29,000 here. She is just incredible. So I'll have a link to this course down below if you are interested. Trust me, it is so valuable, so much information in this course. It's awesome. So it'll be linked down below in the description box.